I still ain't feeling that great. There's man Minnie getting ready to barbecue something up there. Yeah, so while man Minnie is doing that, I want to talk about something that happened the other day that I found to be very interesting. But I think I know why they were doing it. So, young lady came to the house, and I didn't know really who she was, but I was sitting in my easy chair, and she walks in, and she says, "Good morning, sir." She says, "May I have your birth date?" And I go, "Well, sure you can, young lady." And without thinking much about it, I gave her my birth date.
What an idiot.
And she wrote it down, and then she takes off. And I started thinking, what was that all about? What was that all about? So I sent Ma'am Minnie, I called Minnie and brother-in-law Joe, and said, go find out, track them down, them surveyors, and find out what that was all about. So they went down there, and they ran into them on the road there, and they just said that they were counting up how many seniors were in the barangay.
What is wrong with this picture?
That was their responsibility to do, and they were working for Department of Public Health. So anyway, I started thinking about it, and many of you know here in the Philippines, the welfare budget has increased a lot. And what this is about the allocation of funds for services to seniors. Their allocation is probably based on how many seniors live in the barangay. So I found this to be interesting because, of course, I'm a foreigner. Should they be counting a foreigner? But one is one. A number is a number. Probably increases the allocation. I don't have any factual information on that. Through it, and that's my guess. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.